You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, regenerative braking system, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist, voice-activated navigation system, leather trim seats, driver attention alert system. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.